Today we will solve the numerical problems based on specific conductance, equivalent conductance, molar conductance and Colruy's law. So question number 1. The specific conductivity of a solution containing 5 gram of anhydrous barium chloride whose molecular weight is 208 gram per mole in 1000 centimeter cube of a solution is found to be 0.0058 Siemens centimeter inverse. Calculate the molar and equivalent conductivity of the solution. So according to question, the information given is specific conductance, that is kappa is given 0.0058 Siemens centimeter inverse. Weight of solute, that is barium chloride, it is given 5 gram. Molar mass of solute is equal to 208 gram per mole. Volume is equal to 1000 centimeter cube, that is equal to 1 liter. And we have to find out the molar conductance question mark and equivalent conductance question mark. So molar conductance is equal to kappa into 1000 upon m. M stands for molarity. Kappa is already given in the question. Molarity we have to find out. Number of moles of solute upon volume of solution in liter. Since the number of moles are not given, we will replace it by weight of solute upon molar mass into volume of solution in liter. That is equal to 5 upon 208 into 1 liter. We will substitute the value of molarity in the formula of molar conductance. After calculation, we will get 241.28 Siemens centimeter square mole inverse. Then the relation between the molar conductance and equivalent conductance is as follows. Molar conductance is equal to N into equivalent conductance, or equivalent conductance is equal to molar conductance upon N. So molar conductance we have calculated as 241.28 divided by 2, since 2 is the valency of cation, Da2 positive barium. So accordingly the answer is 120.64 Siemens centimeter square equivalent inverse. Next question. A 0.05 m NH4OH solution offers the resistance of 50 ohms to a conductivity cell at 298 Kelvin. If the cell constant is 0.5 centimeter inverse and molar conductance of ammonium hydroxide at infinite dilution is 471.4 Siemens centimeter square mole inverse, then calculate specific conductance, molar conductance and degree of dissociation. So molarity is given 0.05 m, resistance is equal to 50 ohm, cell constant, that is the value of G star, is equal to 0.5 centimeter inverse. Molar conductance at infinite dilution of ammonium hydroxide is equal to 471.4 Siemens centimeter square mole inverse. We have to calculate the value of specific conductance, kappa is equal to question mark, and molar conductance at given concentration is equal to question mark. Then the value of alpha, that is degree of dissociation, is equal to question mark. So according to molar conductance and cell constant resistance, the relation is kappa is equal to 1 upon r into G star, 1 upon 50 into 0.5. After calculation we will get 0.01 Siemens centimeter inverse. Molar conductance at given concentration is equal to kappa into 1000 upon m. The value of kappa is 0.01 into 1000, value of m is 0.05. After calculation we will get 200 Siemens centimeter square mole inverse. Then the degree of dissociation alpha is equal to molar conductance at given concentration upon molar conductance at infinite dilution. 200 upon 471.4 is equal to 0.424. Next question number 3. The specific conductance of a 0.01 m solution of acetic acid at 298 Kelvin is 1.65 into 10 raised to power minus 4 Siemens centimeter inverse. The molar conductance at infinite dilution for hydrogen ion and acetate ion are 349.1 Siemens centimeter square mole inverse and 40.9 Siemens centimeter square mole inverse respectively. Calculate molar conductance of solution, degree of dissociation of acetic acid and dissociation constant for acetic acid. Molarity is equal to 0.01. Specific conductance is equal to 1.65 into 10 raised to power minus 4 Siemens centimeter inverse, and the molar conductance at infinite dilution for hydrogen ion and acetate ions are 349.1 and 40.9 respectively. Then molar conductance of solution is equal to kappa into 1000 upon m. Substituting the values we will get 16.5 Siemens centimeter square mole inverse. Then the value of alpha is equal to molar conductance at given concentration upon molar conductance at infinite dilution is equal to 16.5 upon 390. 390 we will calculate using Colruy's law. Molar conductance at infinite dilution of acetic acid is equal to the sum of the ionic molar conductivities of acetate ion plus hydrogen ion, that is equal to 390. Then the value of K is equal to C alpha square upon 1 minus alpha. value of C is 0.01, value of alpha is 0.0423 square upon 1 minus 0.0423. After calculation, we will get 1.86 into 10 raised to power minus 5.